Folks, if you're anything like me, a couple days a week, you get out of bed, step directly on your cat's tail in the dead of the night while you're headed to the fridge for a midnight snack, and he lets out a howl like you've never heard before in your life. Well, we here at Flashing Fireworks somehow bottled that sound, stuck it in that box, and added a little boom to it. This is Lost Souls, a 500-gram, 21-shot beast. It screams, it bursts, it crackles. There's vibrant colors, reds, greens, blues. Really, the thing never lets up. It's kind of like your uncle after a few beers on karaoke night down at the Sizzler. So for your sake, your party's sake, your uncle's sake, come on down, get a box of these Lost Souls, and have yourself a great time this 4th of July. Like us, subscribe us. Let's light this baby up.